Graph y squared over 1 minus x squared over 25 equals 1. This is general form for a hyperbola. The subtraction is kind of the key here, that it's going to be a hyperbola, and we need two exponent 2's. So we'll first identify the center. The center is found by looking at the x and the y and seeing what's added to each. Since nothing is added to them, our center will start at 0, 0. Then we need to determine how far to go in the y direction. In the y direction, since we're dividing by 1, means that we will go up and down the square root of 1, which is still 1. Then we'll identify how far we go in the x direction. Since x is divided by 25, that means to the left and to the right, we will go the square root of 25, which is 5. But because this is a hyperbola, and we have this subtraction that indicates that it's a hyperbola, we don't make a round shape here. What we make is a box. And what's extremely important is the corner of the box. So the box will go as far, as high, and as low as we're supposed to go in the x and the y direction from the center. And the reason why we need these corners is to put in the asymptotes. The asymptotes are dotted lines. They don't really exist. I almost think about this as doing big minus signs, since this is an equation that has minus. And these asymptotes will help guide the wings, as I call it, of the hyperbola. So you want to make sure that you go right through the center and through the corner of the box for your asymptotes. In order to determine where you attach the graph to the vertices, the red vertices or the blue vertices, it depends on who came first in the equation, who is positive. Since y is positive, we're going to attach at the end of the y the wings for our hyperbola. And they're very long and wide wings. And that's how you graph a hyperbola.